Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to have you here. So this channel is dedicated to teaching programming and data tech skills in the simplest way possible so that you can easily understand, apply them, build portfolios, and then get job. Presently, at the recording of this video, I am a tech instructor with Knowledge for Illumination Academy, where I teach data analytics, data science, and Python programming language. So this is an introduction for our first course, Introduction to Python Programming Language for Complete Beginners. So in this course, I'll guide you step by step through the basics of Python programming language. To make the learning experience seamless, I will be using Anaconda, of which we'll be using the Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda, and then we can also use, or I'll also be using the Google Collab, and I encourage you to use same tools. So I'm excited to see you. I'm excited to see you master Python over the next few weeks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help others discover the benefits from this channel. See you in the next video. Let's crush Python together.